In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce ISO noise grain in Photoshop CC. If you've ever taken a photo under low light conditions, you might have noticed some graininess in your image. This is often referred to as noise, and it can detract from the clarity and polish of your photographs. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue within Photoshop in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Firstly, let's start by opening the image you want to work on in Adobe Photoshop CC. Simply launch Photoshop, then go to File in the top menu and select Open to locate your image file. This initial step is crucial as you'll need to have your image open and ready in Photoshop to make these adjustments. Once your photo is open, take a moment to review it and see exactly where the noise is most prevalent. Next, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Filter. From the drop-down menu, hover over Noise until another submenu appears. Click on Reduce Noise. This tool is specifically designed to help you minimize unwanted noise while preserving as much of the original details of your image as possible. Once the Reduce Noise dialog box appears, you'll see a few sliders and options that you can adjust. One of the most important settings here is Strength. The Strength slider allows you to control how aggressive the noise reduction process will be. Slide it to the right to increase the strength of noise reduction applied to your image. A higher strength will remove more noise, but be careful not to go too far, as this can also cause your image to lose some detail and sharpness. Strike a balance that reduces noise without compromising too much on the quality of other elements in your photo. If you're looking for even more control, consider taking it a step further by using the Camera Raw filter. This option is slightly more advanced but offers finer control to help you get optimal results. To access this, navigate again to the Filter menu, but this time click on Camera Raw filter. Here, you can find additional noise reduction settings and refine them to your liking. The Camera Raw filter also allows for more nuanced control over details, helping you enhance image quality effectively. By carefully using these tools, you should see a significant reduction in the ISO noise grain of your image, resulting in a clearer and more refined photo. Remember, practice makes perfect. Each image is different, so feel free to experiment with these settings until you find the combination that works best for you. As you continue to refine your skills, you'll find that reducing noise becomes a quick and easy part of your photo editing process. With that, you're all set to enhance your images with crisp, clear details using Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.